quite the production, huh?
Yeah, it's neat. All right, I say we're ready to go. All right, let's do it.
Thank you.
Don't thank us yet.
Yeah, we don't know if it's gonna work. Hopefully it does. All right, let's get up the grid. Remember, just focus on rolling speed, not over braking into the corners. All right, here we go.
All right.
Go. Now for this, we want to improve this. Stay all the way to the left. Turn in. There you go. Just roll around the chicane.
Out to the center.
Yep. Keep it right off in the middle. Just like that. Start turning in. Open up your throttle. There you go. Much better. Go, getting your braking and your downshifting done before you turn in. Roll right over the top, start opening up the throttle. Stay left for the curb. Turn in. There you go. Follow that groove in that road. Wait. Oh, he didn't give you a point by. Yeah, you got. When you get in a train like that, every point is just one car.
Okay. I didn't even see, did she point at all?
Yeah, she pointed those guys by, but she didn't point you by.
Okay.
That's why you went by her. Hopefully, I don't think we'll get black flagged, but... Brake. Oh, just roll it in. Good job rolling around the chicane, point straight, keep it out in the middle, a little bit of maintenance throttle, keep turning. Did you give him a point by?
No, I didn't.
Oh,
I gave the one guy.
Yeah, when you see a train like that behind you, it's better off just slowing down and then letting them all by. Because we're in a big train now.
Yeah.
Yeah, as soon as they combine acclimation and novice, it becomes one big group.
Yeah.
So,
Is this where the passing's up here for them?
yeah. You can pass in Thunder Valley. Start laying on the gas a little. Just remember, at apex, that's when you start laying on the gas,
Yeah.
and then you want to track it out. Stay in the middle. Even more, and turn in. Problem is, once I tell you to go to the middle, you're already sort of shallow, so
Yeah.
you're trying to, it's going to be awkward. Oh. Yep. Be right out in the middle. Start turning in a little more. Back on the gas. There's a lot of people behind us, so you can go ahead and give them point buys. You can take this one. And then brake. Downshift. Now let it roll. Back on the gas. Let it roll over the top here. Back on the gas a little. Start opening it up. There you go. Stay to the left by the curb. Roll right over the top. There you go. Give these guys a point buys. You can give more than one car.
On this one I can, on this side?
Huh?
On this?
Oh yeah, you can give like 5 cars
All right.
point buys. You don't have to do just one at a time. Stay out. Too shallow
Yeah.
again. This is your problem corner.
Yeah, it is.
Now, just all you gotta do is slow up and let like everybody by. Because the Miata has no power, you can't get by. There you go. Get better at it. Keep it out in the middle. Let it roll. I'll start going on the throttle. Now you can give this Corvette a point buy. She's coming up. There you go. Good job. Like I said, on corner exit, just check your mirror.
Yeah.
That way you know who's back there, who's coming up on you, who you're pulling away from, so you're not holding anybody up. A little early on the apex there. Early on turning, I mean.
Yeah.
That one we're overslowing quite a bit. Let it roll, back on the gas. Let it roll over the top. Back on the gas. I'd let the Focus by.
What's that?
Let that Focus by. Well, we'll do it on the front straight.
All right.
Turn in.
Yeah, I missed that one.
keep it out in the middle. Out, 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 out. Now turn in.
Too wide, or?
No, just didn't turn in early enough for the second half. We got clear track behind us, so we won't have to worry about that.
Good.
Keep it out in the middle. Keep turning, turning. Yeah, don't. You're doing the wheel sawing.
I got it. Just hold on to it, right?
Yeah, you just want to hold it one turn. You don't want to. You're not really doing anything by doing that. Keep it left. Now turn in. Back on the gas. There you go. Start laying on the gas. More gas. There you go. Stay left by the curb. Turn in. Back on the gas. Yep, and there's a. Yep, good job. Alright, stay out in the middle. Now turn in. And we got the checker already. Damn.
What?
You got the checker already.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, we got out a little late.
Yeah, it was like got out like a lap late.
But it's feeling more comfortable. Once you learn the track, it's just easier to figure stuff out.
Yep. Like normally here, you're just all the way left, braking straight. You do your downshift and then you turn in about here. And you roll it, and then you're back on the gas at apex. For this, roll into it, start getting on the gas about here, and you want to be out in the middle. You don't want to be on the left side like we've been. Well, you don't want to be in the middle here. What you want to do is you want to be on the middle on the outside of that corner, and then shift back over left.
Okay.
You've been pretty good here. It's just rolling more speed up this, and then you gotta get on the throttle real early. You want to be on the left side of the track on exit.
Right. Well, that was fun.
Yeah.